Your internet provider promised you lightning-fast speeds, but your current hardware is acting like a massive bottleneck. It keeps you stuck in the digital slow lane. You start looking for something professional. You need hardware that can handle the heavy lifting of a modern home office or a small business. That is where these high-performance multi-gigabit routers enter the frame. This specific unit has been making waves because it packs two separate 2.5 gigabit ports. That is a massive amount of headroom. It is perfect for anyone moving large files or running a media server. Raw speed is great, but the real magic happens when you look at how it handles multiple internet connections. This feature is a total game changer. It is for anyone who cannot afford even a single minute of downtime. You can hook up a secondary fiber line or even a cellular backup. The router will intelligently balance the traffic between them. Your main provider might have an outage. If it does, you stay online. You won't even notice a flicker. It is the kind of redundancy usually reserved for big corporate headquarters. But then you dive into the management interface. You quickly realize this is a different beast entirely. It belongs to a broader ecosystem designed for centralized control. This sounds great on paper. However, it gets complicated once you actually have to configure it. You get access to deep security tools like advanced firewalls and virtual local area networks. You can create separate digital islands for your guests, your smart home gadgets, and your sensitive work data. This keeps the bad actors at bay. It ensures a breach in one area does not compromise everything else. The device also supports several heavy-duty encryption standards for remote access. This makes it a favorite for teams who need to dial into the office from across the globe. There is a steep learning curve involved here. This is not a typical consumer product. It will not guide you through a friendly setup process. If you are not comfortable navigating complex menus, you might find yourself frustrated. You have to understand networking jargon. There have been some concerns regarding software patches and security vulnerabilities in the past. This highlights a very important point. Owning professional gear means you have to act like a professional information technology manager. You cannot just set it and forget it. You have to keep the firmware updated. You have to monitor the logs. Is it a scam? Not even close. The hardware is solid. The performance is there for anyone who knows how to unlock it. But it is also not a magic bullet. It will not fix every internet problem with one click. It is a specialized tool for people who crave control. It is for those who want high-speed data transfers above all else. If you are a networking enthusiast, this is for you. You can tinker and optimize every single packet of data. This is exactly the kind of hardware that will make your setup feel complete. Just be prepared to put in the work to get it running perfectly. Taking full command of your digital environment requires effort. It is more than just plugging a box into the wall. For those who choose the harder path, the rewards are significant. You get speed and stability. For everyone else, it might be more of a headache than it is worth. It really comes down to your personal comfort level. You have to decide if you actually need that multi-gigabit throughput in your daily life. It is about matching the tool to the task at hand.